When Britain hastily ended its imperial occupation of South Asia, the resulting partition of India in 1947 left unresolved religious conflicts and ill-defined borders between India and Pakistan. Siachen Glacier is one of them, which was left as no man's land due to inhospitable mountainous terrain where life seems impossible. It exists at an elevation surpassing 5,400 meters. A remote battlefield existed in Karakoram range. Join us as we explore the historical context, geopolitical details, dig out the hidden truth of actual conflict, and will try to suggest viable options to enduring tension between these two nuclear-armed nations. Hello, this is Akhtar and welcome to my channel GeoGenius. Let's begin the topic. Today's topic in discussion is northeast tip of Pakistan map. Generally, in circle area will be discussed in detail. This is grid point NJ9842. I'll tell you its significance in later part of the video. To its northeast lies Karakoram Pass, which is 90 km, and northwest at 110 km lies Indra Koli Pass. This triangle area is an area of today's concern known as Siachen Glacier. This region is now sided with Gilgit-Baltistan in the west, Siachen Valley in northwest, Aksai Chain in northeast, and Ladakh region of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in east. Marked region shows Saltaro Range heights in Siachen. Coming over to Siachen Glacier is located in eastern Karakoram range in Himalaya mountains with a length of 76 km. Is the longest glacier in Karakoram range and second longest outside the non-polar region. The average elevation of Siachen Glacier from sea level is approximately 7,770 feet. Now it is considered as the highest battlefield of the world. Generally, it is perceived both Pakistan and India are very stubborn and non-compromising in their stances, and official claims on their borders, which makes this conflict more complicated to resolve. But before digging out the reality, it is vague to say. Let's see their stances. India gained control of 1,000 square miles of disputed territory in 1984 because of its military Operation Meghdoot in Siachen. After ceasefire in 2003, India claims line from point NJ9842 till Indra Koli, which is approximately 68 miles along Saltaro Ridge, as a border known as AGPL, actual ground position line between Pakistan and India. By Indian claims, all major passes have been under the administration of India as a part of Union Territory of Ladakh, located in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir since 1984. Pakistan claims border from area point NJ9842 till Karakoram Pass, which is being justified to Pak-China border agreement in 1963 and numerous historical records, which includes different maps showing line from point NJ98 till Karakoram Pass as ceasefire line or line of control. By analyzing Pak-China border agreement and the response of Pakistan, China, India and United Nations, it has been concluded India knew that Pakistan controls area up to Karakoram Pass. India accepted Pakistan claims over Karakoram Pass. Further, the map showing ceasefire line includes the fourth round Indo-Pak War map in 1984 by Ravi Rikhi, Tracker's Guide to Himalaya and Karakoram by Hogg Swift, the Indo-Pak map shown in the Atlas National Geographic Atlas of the World, map of Jammu and Kashmir state appearing in essential documents and notes on Kashmir disputes, P.L. Lakhanpal International Publication, New Delhi 1958, facing paper 8, and the last, the visits by various foreign expeditions to the area with Pakistan permission. Siachen Glacier, being too mountainous and inhospitable land, was left undecided between Pakistan and India at the time of partition. Nobody had an idea that this land will turn into an issue, conflict and continuous fight between the two nuclear-armed countries. I am going to discuss the factors which aggravated the issue, led to the conflict. Foreign mountaineering expeditions. Both the countries continue supporting a leading mountaineering expedition in an area until 1984. 7 into mountaineering foreign expeditions were supported by Pakistan government during 1975 till 1984 in complete glacier, and the same practice was followed by India, but India took its serious concern of taking Pakistan as a claim of an area. American map showing glacier as a part of Pakistan territory. Dispute over Siachen territory first arose in 1975 when American map marking the glacier as a part of Pakistan provoked sharp backlash from India, who considered the map's cartographic aggression. Ambiguity of claims. The ambiguity of the glacier's location has made it prone to territorial claims by both sides, who consider its possession as a matter of national prestige. Operation Meghdoot. In 1984, instead of negotiation, India Army cunningly launched an Operation Meghdoot to occupy the heights of Saltaro Range ahead of Siachen Glacier and cut off Pakistan from key ridges and passes like Siala, Belafont and Gyeongla, etc. Cunning attitude. Instead of resolving this issue, both sides found ways to keep up the morale of their jawans to stay in the death trap. Kohima insignia is awarded in Pakistan and Siachen Pin in India on completion of tenure in Siachen Glacier. Strategic importance. Presence of Indians on the glacier threatens strategic Sino-Pakistan highway located 180 kilometers away. Presence of Pakistan on glacier will not only threaten Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir region Ladakh, but also augment Pak-China joint ventures potential in the region. Any country occupying Saltaro Ridge, the heights in glacier, will give the better position to bargain in any bilateral conflict between Pakistan and India. Challenges. Biggest challenge in the region is the harsh weather, which tends to go below -60°. High-speed blizzards of approximately 300 km per hour with low-level oxygen at this tremendous site. Soldiers living there have to face multiple challenges like high altitude, cold weather, less oxygen, severe depression, hallucination, memory loss, frostbites, pulmonary, cerebral edema, and even deaths. In 2012, 139 including 11 civilians lost their lives in Gyari sector in an avalanche. At least 10 Indian soldiers died in an avalanche in 2016 and another 4 died in 2019 under the similar circumstances. Until now, an estimated 27,000 deaths recorded, but there are many unknown lives which still require Siachen fortitude recognition, our unknown heroes. Pakistan and China has a better option routes for any offensive intent to execute rather than choosing these toughest route through Siachen Glacier. India is merely able to bring any chain in Gilgit-Baltistan, Shaksgam Valley, Aksai Chain area while expanding millions of dollars in Siachen Glacier. Honestly, this is less strategic than political necessity for continuing the conflict. All political and military talks failed just because neither side is ready to compromise on their respective stance due to mistrust of each side on other. Both the Karachi Agreement in 1949 and Simla Agreement in 1972 clearly indicates NJ 9842 as a terminal point of ceasefire line and line of control. Nothing is mentioned for the area beyond this point because there was no military presence of either side north of this point. Therefore, to restore the sanctity of the both Karachi and Simla Agreement, presently occupied position in Siachen area have to be vacated by both sides, thereby demilitarizing the area. India views Siachen as its rightful territory, whereas Pakistan claims it illegal Indian occupation. Therefore, building trust, demilitarization in near future is difficult.